Hey praisers and savers, I am at home quarantined, so this is the first day of my quarantine. One of the kiddos has COVID, so he feels fine, but we're just gonna stay home and not go out, not go couponing. Ugh, it hurts so much not to go couponing, but so I figured since I couldn't go couponing, I would make some videos explaining how I do some of the things I do and showing you the differences in pharmacies and grocery stores. So I'll still be posting my videos where I'll show my breakdowns. I just won't be able to actually go in the store to coupon. So this video today is how do you save on groceries? I get that all the time. People call me and say, I just want to save on groceries. I don't want to go to the pharmacy and get 30 bottles of shampoo. That's what I want to do. I want to go get 30 bottles of shampoo because those will keep on the shelf. But they always want to know how to save on groceries. And couponing at grocery stores in 2020 is much different than it was back in 2009 when I started couponing. So it's quite different. So I have like a little list I made myself, got some notes going on. So the very first thing you do when you coupon at grocery stores is you need to follow the circulars from the store itself. Now the circulars are when you go into the store, when you first walk in, it's the sales paper that sits on the rack. You need to get a sales paper and you need to go through the sales paper and see what's on sale for you, what works for you. Because buying just a ton of groceries, like buying 50 boxes of macaroni and cheese is fine if you plan on eating them within a year or two, but things can go bad. So looking at the circulars and what you want for that week for your family, what works for you. And so once you've gone through the circular and you kind of circle the things that you want from the circular, you look at your coupons and you match them. So you're matching the sales of the week to the coupons that you have in your coupon binder or your coupon pouch, however you keep your coupons. It's just not enough to use coupons. It doesn't work that way. If I just go in a store and just use coupons, it's like I did a lot of work for nothing. So you need to take the circular plus the coupons, mesh them together to maximize your savings. Alright, so once we have matched our coupons with our circular, then we're ready to shop. Of course, you want to make a list and you want to go in the store and be purposeful with it. Now, a lot of times whenever I coupon at grocery stores, it looks different than whenever I go buy groceries for the family. Usually when I coupon for groceries, I'm in there, I have a plan. I'm not going to the bakery section and looking at all the yummy donuts and baked goods. I'm not buying meat, any of those things. I'm just focused on what's on sale and what I can match with my coupons. And so whenever I do find good deals, and let's say I do have 4 coupons or 10 coupons of that item, and we use that item quite often, I'm going to get as many as I can. Because it's not like, this week you go into the store and it's on sale and next week it might be there as well. It probably won't be. Items go on sale at a monthly basis or a quarterly basis or a yearly basis. It's just according to what it is. So you can expect to see a lot of baked goods around the holidays. I usually stock up on all my chicken broth and spices if I can get those, and flour and sugar, whatever it may be. When you get closer to the summer season, you're going to get more of the dressings and condiments. Those are things I stock up during those times. So just be mindful that you're not always going to have coupons and sales for the items that you use all the time. You're going to have to stock up when they are available for you. So one big thing that I try to always tell my fellow couponers is don't pass up the BOGO. BOGO means buy one, get one free. So let's say this. Let's say I'm just going to pull something off my desk. Let's say I'm going to buy this pen and this pen. And this pen is buy one and this pen is get free. Well, if I have a coupon for $1 off one pen and another coupon for $1 off one pen, I could use a coupon on the buy one, and I can use a coupon on the get free. So a lot of stores like Publix, this is where you can really make some great sales, and also they sometimes pay you at Publix. So make sure you're checking it out. I love to go to Publix and get cat food and dog food, and I don't even have a dog. And I will get a bag of dog food that's buy one and a bag of dog food that's get free, and I'll use a coupon on the buy one and I'll use a coupon on the get free, and it works just fine. So be mindful of that, because that's a big deal at grocery stores. They have so many BOGO options at grocery stores. You don't have to just use one coupon. You can use a coupon for each of those items. So really check that out. Make sure you're maximizing your savings. Guys, another great tip is to download the store app. So, we spend so much time clipping coupons and things, but there are stores that you really don't even need to clip coupons for. I know that at Dollar General, I buy groceries there. I know that's a little bit different. We live in a small town. We don't even have a grocery store here. So I'll go on the Dollar General app and I'll clip all the grocery coupons, and I'll make out great. I won't even have to clip any. But Kroger has an app, Publix has an app. Walmart doesn't have any kind of grocery app, but check them out. I like to use the Kroger app because sometimes they'll let you use that same coupon 5 times in a row. If it's it'll tell you if it's a 5 times digital event, you can use that coupon over and over and over again. So really make sure you are downloading those store apps. Don't pass up on it. Now, if you do go into the grocery store, and let's say you're getting some eggs, and you have a coupon for 50 cents off the eggs, like a paper coupon, manufacturer from the newspaper. But then on the app, you only have a 25-cent off coupon on the app for, a digital coupon for the eggs. You're not going to be able to use that 50-cent coupon. So be careful about clipping all the coupons on your app, because you may not be able to use your 50% coupon, which is a more valued coupon than that one on the app, because it kind of overrides it. So just be mindful about which coupons you clip on your app. And also, some apps will only let you clip so many coupons. Like, I have my Dollar General app, and you can clip as many coupons on your digital app as you want, but when you go to like the Kroger app, they limit the amount of coupons that you can clip. So you need to just only clip the coupons that you need or items that you're going to buy. Know your coupon store policy. Every store has a different policy. Some stores will double coupons, but most do not. None of my stores around here double coupons. BOGO, we used to have a BOGO, and they would double coupons up to $1. And they don't do that anymore because they don't have BOGOs anymore. But know your store coupon policy. For example, at Kroger, you can use 3 of the same coupon on 3 items. So I can get pin, and then coupon. 3 of the same coupons in the same transaction, unless it is specified on the coupon. So what that means is, a lot of times on your Procter & Gamble coupons, let's say your Crest toothpaste, with Crest toothpaste coupons, it says limit of 2. So you can only buy 2 Crest toothpaste and only use 2 coupons. So if it doesn't specify, you can use 3 at Kroger. All stores are different. You need to go on their website, download the coupon policy, read it over before you go, because Kroger used to be 5 of the same coupons in the same transaction, and then I don't know when, but they changed it to 3, and I was in the store and I was like, no, I know the coupon policy, and nope, they changed it on me. So know the coupon policy before you go in the store, so you're not getting frustrated and aggravated, because that can really be a deal breaker for you. All right, guys, so your goals. What are your goals for grocery shopping? Now, when I am grocery shopping normally, I may not have any kind of goals, because I know what I need for my family that week or whatever it may be. But when I'm couponing at the grocery store, that's totally different. And my goal is always 50 to 60% off. And I know you're like, oh my gosh, that's not that much. Well, yeah, it is. It's more than half. Well, if I go into the store and I'm in the grocery store, I'm spending, $100 at the grocery store, I expect for my total to be below $50. If it's $100 and it's not below $50, I've done something wrong. Because when you're using the sales and you're using your coupons, you're probably going to save about 50 to 60% off if you have all coupons on everything and everything's on sale. So that's what I strive for. Now, when I go into a pharmacy, that's totally different. In a pharmacy, I strive for 80% or better. Now, usually in the pharmacy, at this point in my couponing game, I usually save 95% or I don't pay anything at all at the pharmacy. But the grocery store is quite different. So 50% to 60% savings is where you should be shooting for when you're in the store. If you get an item and if it's not half off the price or less than that, I'm probably not going to get it. It's probably not going to be a good deal for me. It's probably not something I really need at the time. I'm not going to mess with it. All right, guys, so I know that we're talking about grocery couponing, but there are things at pharmacies that I do not get at the grocery store. For example, I do not get cereal at a grocery store. Never. I never pay for cereal at a grocery store. Cereal is expensive. It can be like $5 a box. But with the grocery store, and if I'm couponing, I might spend $1.50, $2. I don't like that. I want to spend even less. So I'm striving for at a pharmacy to get my cereal less than $1. And I usually spend 50 cents, 75 cents for the cereal at the pharmacy. So really be careful with that because some places have better deals than others. I know that a great deal that I get at pharmacies would be the Special K cereal. It's usually $1.99 when it's on sale. Then if I have $1 off coupon, and there are also coupons on the app that you can combine. So just be mindful of that. Don't try to use that at a pharmacy. Also milk. There's a lot of times where there'll be milk on sale at pharmacies. Check for those because sometimes it may be buy 2 boxes of cereal and get a gallon of milk for free. And then cookies. I like to get cookies at the pharmacy. So those are things I do not buy at grocery stores. Oh, forgot this. Cases of water. Cases of water are one huge thing that you can get at pharmacies that are a lot cheaper than grocery stores. So those are my 4 main things that I usually check for before I go buy them at the grocery store. Going back to where I was talking about with the circulars and getting the circulars, I have a video about the Flip app. And now this is an app. It's also a website where you can check out the sales. So Flip showcases all the sales papers on their website, and you can just scroll through it, and you can click on the items that you want. Also, you can kind of search the items across all the stores. So the other day, I had some chicken broth coupons, and so I just typed into the search, and it showed me all the stores that had chicken broth on sale, and I could compare who had the better deal. Did Kroger have the better deal, or did Walmart have the better deal? And then I made my list of which store I was going to go to and get those items based on the better deal and what I could combine with the coupon. So the Flip app is amazing, and I like how whenever you click on an item, it kind of circles it and makes a shopping list for you, and you can print those shopping lists off, and so you're not running into a store to grab a circular paper to go home. You're not wasting all those steps. You have that app on your phone or also on the website. And then the other thing about the Flip app, it kind of clips it down into a picture. So it's not just like, it doesn't say like chicken broth in words and then just the price. It like clips the actual thing so you can see, you have a visual. So when you print your shopping list off, it has all the visuals of all the items that you chose. So because I'm a visual person, I like to see the items and what I'm trying to get, because sometimes a smaller item might be on sale but the bigger item is not. So it clips the actual item from the app to make your shopping list, which is pretty cool. All right, guys, the last thing I want to tell you is to donate. I got Kroger had these scallop potatoes, Betty Crocker scallop potatoes. They were like 49 cents a box, and I probably got about 30 or 40 or 50 boxes of those scallop potatoes. I don't know. So that is a great item to donate to your food bank. People are in need right now during all these hard times with COVID, And so that's a great stable item to go on a shelf. And food banks get so many things that are like canned goods or whatever. And those are great. We need to donate canned goods. But sometimes those starchy items, potatoes or macaroni and cheese, peanut butter, those more starchy and protein items, they don't get necessarily. So make sure you're getting those things together to donate. What I like to do is at work we get the copy paper boxes. You know how the copy paper comes in a box, and I like to fill a box up with my kiddos, and so I'll take it and I'll fill up boxes of cereal and boxes of scalloped potatoes or macaroni that I have a lot of, and when that box is full, we as a family can take that box to the food bank to give away to somebody. And so it's kind of like it just gives me like a little goal to get to when I fill this box up. So please donate items that you buy in excess. People need those items. I know I needed those items growing up, and I was always thankful when I had them. So guys, please check out the flip video that's in my channel. It's FLIPP flip video. And I guess I will see you guys tomorrow when we do another video during my quarantine. So make sure that you like this video, subscribe, and if you do like this video, comment grocery in the comments. That way I know that you have watched this entire video from start to finish. Alright guys, thanks. Happy praising and saving.